Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Vegas Pro 16. Please follow me what I do. First you're gonna go to the website. I'm gonna put in the description. Paste it. Do it. Click download. Download anyway. But I have downloaded before. So install. Let's start the installation. Click install. Choose language. Click next. Click next. Click install. Wait until installation finish. So click finish. Now let's go where files where Vegas Pro installed. Now search for a file named Protein. Here it is, this file, Protein. Now what you have to do is paste the crack here. Drop it here. Click yes, I accept. Place. Continue. Now, congratulations, you have installed Vegas Pro 16. Let's go and try it. Now it works perfectly, like you can see. Thank you for watching, and sorry for my bad English.